Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Install the official GPT Voice Assistant app from your trusted app store. Grant microphone access, notifications, and background audio permissions during setup. Sign in with your account and link a verified phone number to enable secure voice features. Choose a short wake word like Hey GPT to reduce accidental triggers. Test your microphone by speaking a sample phrase and adjust gain to about -6 dB if levels clip. Confirm the app can run in background and show notifications for ongoing sessions. Speak commands clearly and keep a steady pace. Pause 1 to 2 seconds between phrases. Start prompts with a task, add constraints, then give an example output when possible. Use direct verbs like explain, summarize, translate, or draft to get predictable results. For length control, say shorten to 100 words or expand by 50% to change output size. If the assistant mishears you, say repeat and restate the prompt slowly to avoid repeated errors. Protect privacy by disabling cloud logging in settings and opting for local processing when available. Review and delete stored voice clips regularly inside the privacy dashboard to limit retention. Customize the assistant voice, speed, and pitch, a speed of 1. 0 and neutral pitch works well for comprehension. If responses lag or drop, switch to a lower quality audio encoder or restart the app to reduce latency. For persistent issues, update the app and check microphone permissions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.